Do you want to open up your January 2022 Barkbox? Hello and welcome back to our channel. This is Dexter and he loves his Barkbox. Oh, I didn't open all the way. Okay, I got it open. So this is a $25 a month dog subscription box that Dexter loves. This is the theme, Slumber Party. And let's see what he got for toys. I actually upgraded his subscription. Well, I guess I didn't upgrade it, but I chose the stronger size of toys. I didn't even know you could do that, but you can choose more durable toys that have other toys inside. So that's what Dexter's getting now, because he has gotten to the point where he will destroy some of his toys now. So I'm excited to give him some more durable ones. And this is so cute, little slippers that are literally way too big for even his paws. They're so cute. I love them. What is the other toy he got? I'm gonna have to go grab that. Look at you, have both of your toys. Okay, and this is the other toy, the Jamster. So cute. I think he's gonna love this because it's a hamster inside of a robe, and his favorite toy he ever got was a mouse this same size in a little sweater. But I got him 2 of those and he has destroyed them because they're his absolute favorite. So this could become his new favorite. What do you think, honey? What else did you get? The chew that he got is pumpkin and honey recipe. I think he's gotten these maybe a couple times before. And then the 2 bags of treats. Baba jerky nibbles. I don't know if he's tried the nibbles shape, but he loves the Barkbox treats. I go through about a bag a month, so you get a lot of treats in here. The other ones are Moo Moo Links beef recipe. I don't think he has tried these yet either. And every box has such an adorable theme, and you get to see all of the options that the dogs could have gotten. And this is so cute. Oh, I wish he got the pizza toy because he seriously is obsessed with pizza, and that would have been perfect for him. But honey, are you so excited about your January 2022 Barkbox? Say thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in my next video.